We're going to see what Mackenzie and Purple are doing. Hi, guys.
I'm sleeping, Mommy.
Hi. Who are you sleeping with?
Purple.
Did you tuck him in? Did you tuck in Purple?
I did.
You did such a good job. Did you give him a good night kiss? What a good mommy. You're such a good mommy. You take care of your Purple so good. What a sweetie. You turned the music on for him?
Mm-hmm.
And you got him a pillow? What else did you give him?
No doo-doo.
No doo-doo?
I'm giving doo-doo.
He needs a doo-doo, you think? He's not even crying. Maybe there's one here. No, you know what? We don't have a doo-doo right now. He's not even crying. I don't think he needs one. Oops, he fell off the pillow. Aww.
Okay. So we can sleep together.
Now where are you going? Hmm? Oh, he needs a smaller pillow? Oh.
This.
Is he cold?
It's not cold. I'm not cold. Oh.
That was a quick nap. Is he all energized now? Ready? Is he ready?
He's changing your diaper.
Would you like to turn the light on so I can make your bed?
Yeah. Horrible.
Thank you.
Horrible.
Horrible?
This is horrible.
What's horrible? The poop?
This is horrible.
What's horrible?
The poop is horrible.
Did he poop his pants?
Yeah.
Aww.
I wipe his butt.
Wipe the poopy off his butt.
And pee-pee, Vaseline, and Vaseline.
We can just pretend like we have Vaseline. We don't really need it.
Up his butt, chubby. Chub. I want to say that. Chub. Have wonder.
God bless you. You're doing a fantastic job. Let's see. Did you get it on him? Wrap him around to the back. Put the tabs on the diaper that's up behind his butt. Would you like me to come help?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah. Hello.
Whoops. Oops. Okay. Is it Mackenzie's turn? Her diaper?
No.
Mackenzie, when Mommy looked in your panties, did you have poopy in there?
Yeah.
Look here and tell me. Yeah?
Mommy had a diaper inside your diaper.
No, Mackenzie needs to change her diaper because she has poopy in her pants.
Mom, come change her diaper. Right now. You have poopy in your diaper.
I don't pee in a diaper, I pee in the potty. Because I'm a big girl.
Because I'm bigger too.